baby sharks and rays too.
Oh yeah. Just under the bridge, just this area right here?
Yes, correct. It's depending of the day, but do not hesitate to snorkeling all around the resort, huh? Of course.
Okay.
But if you're interested also, for us we call that like Instagram butler. So actually it's complimentary. I use the car. We are just driving all around the resort, and I can take pictures for you.
Oh, perfect. Okay, we will definitely do that.
Yeah, sure.
I have like 20 cameras. December 3rd. And this girl dragged me here. So we got room 337 at the Conrad Bora Bora. Quick room tour. Here's a little couch and a window. You can see the other bungalow. You got the King Overwater Villa with a king-size bed, and it has this little table sitting area. The coffee and the tea are free, but they charge you for the alcohol. And they also charge you for all the stuff in the fridge. And the walk-in closet has a little table and another view of the other bungalows. And here is their bathtub. Pretty decent size with the rainfall shower. And there's a toilet. And it has his and hers sinks. And they use some kind of Shanghai Tang brand. I don't know what that is. So they have this cool remote. You just press up and it brings up the TV. So the TV's pretty cool because it can turn. And the best part of the room is direct access to the lagoon. Comes with 2 lounge chairs and 2 little nets where you can just lounge. And a table for 2. It was actually raining, but now it's super hot and sunny again. And we have access to the lagoon, but I'm not gonna go in right now because it's pretty deep. It's like 16 feet. So you can actually open up the glass doors so that you're open to the outside. So it's pretty cool. Good job, Beverly, booking this room. Oh, there's the presidential suite. I think Paris Hilton was there like a couple weeks ago. She had like a video on YouTube for her honeymoon. And we got lucky because we got upgraded to this room from the standard deluxe villa for 5 nights, which saved us like $2,500.